Wala. Sometimes feeling mo,
wala lang.
wala na pag nakapag-post ka, alright, one item take off my list. Pero hindi eh.
Wala siya result.
You're not, like ako before, nag-boost ako ng TikTok. Pero, ang nag-gather ko lang, ang earn ko lang likers. Pero walang potential buyers. So parang dapat pala, before kang mag-boost, dapat at the back of your mind, alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve eh. Likers ba? Pampadami ba ng subscribers or potential clients. So dapat pala bago ka rin gumastos, bago ka mag-spend ng time, isipin mo rin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige.
So, spending hours designing instead of selling. So, meron din doon copy-paste, di ba? Pero maisingit ko lang. Since meron tayong marketing mistake, I still prioritize yung partnership
Yeah.
and
Oh yeah, multi-listing services. That's what
Para
we're doing.
maximize the power
diba,
of MS.
parang no
Collaboration.
matter how much you post or like what you said, share,
Yes.
TikTok,
Yeah.
diba? Parang at the end of the day,
Akin
mapansin
yan.
mo,
Sorry!
mapansin mo,
Cheers.
umaya na ako.
Sorry naman
Basta ako mag-cheers. Mapansin mo, diba? At then, ako, yung mga benta natin, usually nasa
Oo, totoo ka dyan.
Lasing ka na?
Iinimin mo yung drinks.
walang inom pala. Kaloka pa mga ito. O, sagutin. It's a vote ang MLS.
Correct.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, ano pa?
The power of collaboration with your co-brokers or with your colleagues.
Yeah.
It's very important kasi hindi naman lahat direct client natin o kaya direct natin, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi 100% gusto mo sa'yo, yung buyer sa'yo, yung seller 100%. So,
Pero si Dirk, diba, ang batting average ng closing ay yung si partner.
oo naman. Ikaw lalo ha, dami mong pagkain. Kami, dami namin na-close dito.
Diba?
Saka it makes your life easier. Ikaw na dito, ikaw na sa client mo, ha? Ako na sa sa
Yeah.
documentation sa'yo, sa transfer of ownership, ikaw. So, na-divide yung labor.
Totoo yan.
O, ito. Kayanin nyo to, emotional time wasters. Or very relatable to sa kababaihan. Overthinking clients who aren't serious. Getting emotionally attached to every deal.
Yeah.
Yung masyadong tinatilinas na
Yeah.
mako-close mo na, yung
Yes.
pala may mga
Ang daming
paperya,
ganyan.
diba?
Ang daming ganyan. Yeah.
So, taking rejection personally instead
Yes.
of moving on and fast.
Guilty tayo dyan.
Di ba, habang tumatagal, na-manage mo na yung emotion. With regards to, halimbawa, hindi na tuloy yung deal, parang iisipin mo na lang, there must be a better deal na susunod.
That's the right perspective.
Ikaw ba?
Yeah, oo, totoo.
Ganun yung ano natin,
Oo.
take natin. So, every time na may aberya, so yun yung
Oo,
mindset.
dapat ang mindset mo. Ano mo, ang pag-handle kasi ng mga deal talaga, nagkakaroon siya ng difference depende sa mindset ng isang tao. Sa lahat naman in life, diba?
Yeah.
So kung dapat, kunyari, may nangyari, ayun nga, sabi mo, hindi natuloy yung deal. So isipin mo na, hindi ito nangyari kasi baka hindi talaga okay. Hindi ito para sa akin. May kapalit
Better
to na
deals
mas malaki.
coming for you.
Palaging ganun. And totoo naman.
Yeah.
Kasi talaga pag inadya ni God para sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo na walang hirap.
So, the real cost of one wasted day in real estate. So, merong cheap clients versus high-value clients. Where your time should go. So, ang kulit. Why saying yes to everyone is losing your mind.
Saying yes, everyone.
Oo.
Siyempre naman.
With regards to tripping, halimbawa, Annette, i-tripping mo nga ako sa ganito. Di ba waste of time?
Oo naman, hindi naman ako sumasama sa lahat ng nangyayari.
Or, hindi lang tripping. Halimbawa, Annette, can you sell this property? Alam mo, ang technique doon, ma'am, can you send the Google pin?
Yes.
Diba? Kasi makikita mo na siya sa street view. Ano ba to? May illegal settler ba to? Or malapit ba to sa creek? Or malapit siya sa fault line? Ay, think doon mo siya maiwasan para hindi mo ma-waste yung time.
Truly.
Diba?
Truly.
So,
Oo naman. At saka hindi. Talagang pag ganyan, tama ka doon, Google Pin, lot plan, documents, kasi you have to review it first. Kasi baka waste of time lang na
Yes.
asikasuhin mo yung
Asikasuhin
property,
mo.
sobrang dami pa ng problema.
Guilty ako dyan recently.
diba, minsan,
Nire-review
ako
parang-
dyan.
talaga.
Parang
Oo.
karinderya yung bukas, pwede ka
Yes.
hindi.
Which
Hindi
is,
talaga.
alam mo yun, sabi ko,
Hindi,
hindi dapat
initially,
ako.
hindi nila alam yun eh, pag
Yes.
nag-start ka lang.
Saka akala nila alam
Kuha ka
natin
ng
lahat
kuha.
ng ano. Akala nila alam natin lahat ng market value. Na hindi natin, sabi ko, hindi ito yung pwede natin.
Or-
Or, check on the market value of this property. Magkano na parang
Tama. Or there could be waste of time yung selling ng alam mo kung ano. Stigma properties.
Ayun.
Okay. Stigma properties, yun yung mga properties na no-no. No-no. It meaning, may, sorry to say, yung may nagmumulto or something. Basta may something na supernatural ba tawag ko?
Yeah, paranormal.
Paranormal. So,
Yeah.
minsan may ganun. So, time waster din yun. Kasi, sobrang especially yung mga kapitbahay, alam nila.
How will you know? You have to ask. Ay, may nagmulto po ba dito sa bahay? May nangyari po bang hindi maganda? History. So it's part of due
Tapos
diligence.
due diligence, yeah.
Part yun. So,
Oh, yeah, oo, you have to check that. Kasi you have to reveal that to the client.
disclosure. Full
Disclosure.
So, I think na-cover na natin lahat.
Yeah, wow, talaga.
I know. Did you learn something, guys?
Yeah. Kasi talagang ito, you have to learn these things. Kasi para hindi ka talaga
So that you wouldn't
nagsasayang
commit
ng
the same
oras.
mistakes.
Kasi kami, for so many years namin sa real estate business, na-experience na namin na magsayang lahat ng oras. So, for you to avoid that, that's why we're here to give you a tip. These are just tips, advices.
Yeah. That the painful mistakes that we've learned, yung mga lessons that we've learned from
Through
our
the years.
experiences through the years.
So, okay, thank you. We hope you subscribe and like our vlogs.
Yes.
And
And please let us know the topics that they want to, for us to explore. Ano yung like yung topics na gawin natin next time.
okay, so that's it for today.
Bye!
We are the Wonder Queens.